Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter.com. We got this Smith Corona Electric. This is a Secretarial 300, but it is the same as a two-spool Smith Corona Cornet 120. Well, not Cornet. It's got power return and probably power backspace. This model they just made for offices. All they did was put a heavier case on it, a heavy case on the bottom, and a lid that weighs about 4 pounds, pure steel, and they call it a Secretarial. It's still a portable. It's still their portable typewriter that looks very familiar on the bottom here. It's the same machine. Don't let Smith Corona fool you. But this case is another 4 pounds down here, so it's super heavy, just physically heavy. So this has a carriage return problem. It won't carriage return. It's got power, carriage return. All the carriage return stuff is down in here. It's a pretty tricky mechanism, and I think just got a sticky part. A lot of times this gear goes bad over here, or something in this gear pack right here, or where this motor spins. So when the machine's on, this motor spins right there. That fan's going to start. Get the power switch up there. There it goes. And when the return engages, it triggers it over here. Linkage goes over to here, and it throws this gear into a clutch right there. It jams it in there, and then spins this thing at super, strength. It's a crazy return mechanism that is prone to failure because it's kind of violent. But I think this has sticky parts right here, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And if I look down here, this is sticky a little bit. If I go fast, I'm going to press the button up on top. It just goes past the trigger right there, and it responds kind of slow. I think it's either right here in this screw or right here in that pivot. Either way, they're both going to get it. It'll be the automatic thing. And I'm going to move this to the outside and see if that does it right there. Now I should be able to press the button, and it should go. There we go. So these two parts are just a little sticky right here, and the carriage return is working. So what that does, it triggers that, and it triggers this clutch. If the machine is way over, if I space it over, hit the trigger, this thing is going to engage and move the carriage return. Just like that. It's got a pinion gear that goes up here to the top, up to this rack. Way over here, goes up to this rack right here. Right there. There's a return rack. Right there. So it engages that and just jams that carrier over. So this one was really not, usually they foul up right here. This piece fouls up, or the pinion in there fouls up, or this pinion itself fouls up. And when that happens, it's a tricky project. This one turned out to just be a sticky part over here. So it's fixed. And we're going to let it go out like that. See? Just touch it. It goes now. That's the way it should work. When it goes down, it resets right here. When I let the button up, it resets. Ready for another launch. Resets. Launch, reset. Some of these machines even have a switch in here that triggers with this linkage that increases the voltage to the motor, and it makes it even faster. Crazy Smith Corona ideas, I'll tell you. Alright, that's just a quick 101 on the Smith Corona electric carriage return on their portable typewriters. Good day.